Hi there! We are so excited for you to take YouScience. So this is a quick walkthrough for how to set up your account. So you should have received an email with your access code to your Buff email. If you can't find it for some reason, if you go to your email and you search YouScience, this email will pop up. And this is a Gmail, but in yours it will be in your Buff email. So once here, you'll select this Activate, and from here, you'll need to create a password, terms of service, and sign up. Once you are here, you'll update your information. You'll select that you are in college. Select what applies to you. You'll select Start. From here, you will start the brain games. So click Get Started in the Aptitudes and Interests section. It'll ask you for a little bit more background information. You can play the brain games. And so you need to ensure that you are doing all of these. And pay attention to this where it says it'll take 5 minutes. So each game has a different amount of time. You can pause at any point between games, but don't pause until you've finished the game that you have started. That is how to get started with your YouScience assessment. We hope that once you've completed and have your results, that you'll schedule an exploration and follow-up appointment with us in Handshake. If you have any questions for how to sign up for that, just call our office at 806-651-2345. We're so excited to explore your results with you and help you better understand how you can use them in whatever you need, whether that's career and major exploration, career development, using your results on your resume, figuring out what your top talents and strengths are, or in the job search, whatever it might be. We would love to help you with that.